Hey friends, welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your favorite spot for the most exciting smartphone reviews, latest leaks, and premium tech content. Aaj hum baat karne wale hain EKA's smartphone ki jo 2026 K budget 5G segment ko completely shaped karne wala hai. This is the brand new Nokia King Max 5G, a phone built for users who want performance, style, and power without paying flagship prices. Right out of the box, the Nokia King Max 5G immediately grabs attention with its sleek matte finish and premium metallic frame. The phone feels solid yet modern, and the entire design language delivers a futuristic and refined vibe. On the front, you get a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display, giving deep blacks, sharp colors, and a truly immersive viewing experience. For gaming, movies, or daily scrolling, this display keeps everything ultra smooth and crystal clear. Performance-wise, Nokia has equipped this device with the latest MediaTek Dimensity chipset, built to handle heavy tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using multiple apps simultaneously, the phone stays fast, responsive, and incredibly stable. And with 5G connectivity, downloads, streaming, and online gaming become much faster and smoother. Camera lovers will appreciate its 108-megapixels triple camera system, capable of capturing highly detailed photos with excellent color accuracy. Low-light performance is surprisingly strong for a budget smartphone, and video recording also produces stable and sharp results. The ultra-wide lens adds versatility, making the King Max 5G a reliable camera setup for content creators and everyday users. Battery life is another highlight. The huge 6,000 mAh battery ensures full-day usage even with heavy gaming, streaming, or photography. And thanks to fast charging support, you can power up quickly and get back into action without long waiting times. Overall, the Nokia King Max 5G is a powerful combination of style, performance, display quality, and battery life. It delivers everything users expect from a modern smartphone at a price that makes it even more impressive. If you want a dependable, fast, and premium-feeling phone without spending too much, this device is absolutely worth considering. Agar aapko aisi high-quality reviews, leaks, and unboxings pasand hain, then make sure to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more amazing tech content every day.